What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Alice and please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. If you're not new, welcome back to my channel. So for today's recipe, we're gonna make it super easy. It's gonna be my last recipe for Valentine's Day. If you literally don't like chocolate or you don't like any other dessert that I prepared before, this is super easy. It's perfect, it's fast, it's delicious, and it's good at every time of the day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, every time of the day. And also, if you have kids, you can send it with the kids to school for a nice and healthy snack for their break. Also doesn't have any tree nuts, so it's perfect for school, especially because I heard now in Canada they're starting to send the kids to school again, so this would be perfect. So what you're gonna need for this recipe, it's super easy. I decided to call it cloud cake because it's super fluffy and super light and super soft. Can I say enough super? No. This recipe is gonna have a lot of super. So the ingredients that you're gonna need is heavy cream, 35%, vanilla powder or vanilla extract if you cannot find the vanilla powder, flour, oil, sugar, eggs, and baking powder. That's it. That's all you need. Super simple. So the particularity of this cake is that we're gonna incorporate whipped cream inside the batter to make it even more fluffy and delicious. But first things that you gotta do before we start the preparation of the cake, you gotta preheat your oven at 325 Fahrenheit because this cake is gonna take literally 2 minutes to put together. And as a cake pan, I'm gonna use this beautiful heart-shaped silicone pan. You can find this one at IKEA. I got it at IKEA. Or any the home decor store, they probably haven't, even a metal one. Super beautiful, and it's also perfect for my last recipe for Valentine's Day. So let's start the recipe, shall we? So first things that you want to do, you want to whip your heavy cream. Make sure your cream is super cold. Sometimes I like to put it for 10 minutes into the freezer to make it even colder. And we're gonna whip it without anything, without no sugar, no vanilla, nothing. Just the heavy cream until it's nice and hard and makes a nice and stiff tips. Once you're done whipping your cream, it's time to do the same thing with your egg, but make sure that your eggs are room temperature. Always room temperature the eggs because they whip faster. You're gonna add all your sugar and you're gonna also add your vanilla powder. You're gonna whip it with your hand mixer for 4 minutes or until it becomes nice and fluffy and a pale yellow. Then it's time to add your vegetable oil. Mix for 30 seconds. And then you're gonna add your flour that you previously sifted all at once. And the baking powder. And you're gonna mix it for literally 30 seconds, not more than that. After you mix all your ingredients together, it's time to add your whipped cream. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna add it all at once. And then you're gonna fold your batter. Don't mix it too harshly. You have to fold it just to keep the softness and the fluffiness of the batter, like this so. All right, your cake is ready to go in the oven at 325 and it's gonna bake for 45 minutes. And after that, we're gonna be back for the best part, the one I love the most, the taste test. Alright guys, my cake is finished to bake and also I let it cool it down for about 45 minutes and I put a little bit of icing sugar and look how beautiful and tall it is. It's so pretty. And you can also do it in a regular round shape, but you don't have to do the shape of a heart. But because it's Valentine's Day, I say why not? And now the best part, the taste test. I don't really know how to cut it as a heart like this. I think I'm gonna go like this. Oh my God. It is so soft. You won't believe it. I think I'm gonna go like this. It's a little hard to cut because the shape is not the usual. But look at that. Look how beautiful and tall and fluffy it is. Like, it's literally a cloud. And look the inside. I had to put that knife down because I look psycho. Look the inside. So beautiful. It literally cooked 45 minutes, but as always, I insert a wooden toothpick in the middle just to make sure that it was properly cooked. And the smell, it's just divine. Look at that. Ooh. Oh my God. It's so fluffy, it literally melts in your mouth. It is divine. Oh my God. This is one of my favorite. And I'm losing pieces everywhere. So good. Make sure you're gonna recreate this recipe because it's super easy, super delicious, and it's perfect also if you have kids, like I said, to send it to school. It's the perfect healthy snack, homemade, not that junk that they sell at the grocery store. So delicious. I hope you enjoy spending time with me. If you're gonna recreate the recipe, please make sure you're gonna tag me at Contesini. I'm gonna leave it right here. And until next time, I'll see you soon, my beautiful people. Love you. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day.